Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have shown you how to export your database table as a CSV file or a Excel file. In this video I will show you how to import a CSV file or Excel file to a database. So right now I have this SQLite manager open, which I have shown you in the second video how to download and install. And for example, I create a new database. So I create a new database and I will give the database name as, for example, empdb.db. Okay, and I click OK, and I will save it as location here. And I will still say OK. So right now I have created this database, right? And now I want to import a data which is there in my Excel file. So for example, I have this data which is there in the Excel file, and I have here employee ID, name, surname, age, username, password, and pay, and I have some data for these columns, and I want to import this table or this table data as a database table here. So what I will do is I will go to this tab database, and I will go to import here, and it will open a import wizard from here. And because this is a Excel file and not a comma separated file, so let's see how we can import this Excel file to our database. So just select this tab CSV and just select the first row contains the name of the column. So you can see here first row contains the name of the columns. That's why I will select here, and I will give the name of the table here. So I will give employee info table. This is a type name of your table, right? And just select this, and because this is a Excel file, so I will select this tab because they are separated by tab, and this I will leave as default, double quote if necessary. Okay, and I will click OK, and it's showing some error. Okay, so it's showing error because I haven't selected my Excel file. This Excel file I need to give the path also. So at the top here you need to give the path of your Excel file also. So just go at the right and select the file from here, and from here you can give the path of your Excel file. So just click show all and see the extension which file is a Excel file. So I will see it from here. This file is my Excel file, so I will select this Excel file and I will open this, and now I will click OK, and now it's showing me the message that a new table called employee info will be created. Do you want to modify this table? Click OK, and you can see here all the table columns come here, and you can define the data type of these columns. So for example, first column is an integer, second name is a varchar, surname is a varchar, age is integer, username is varchar, this is also varchar, and pay is float. And you can also define which is your primary key. So for example, we take employee ID as a primary key. Just select it and click OK, and it will show this dialog. Just click OK, and now you can see here you have a new table called employee info, and which is having some data. Okay, so let's see, and you can go to this execute SQL query tab, and you can just verify that if all the data is there or not. So just write the query, select star from your data table name. So table name is employee info, so I will write select star from employee info, and I will run the SQL query here, and you will be able to see all the data is there in your table. So in this way you can import data from a Excel file. You can do the same for the CSV file also. Just select this comma separated file, and it's the same procedure for the CSV file. So I hope you have learned something new this time. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.